No code versus low code, what's the difference? No code platforms let you build apps, websites, or automations without writing a single line of code. It's all drag and drop. Just pick blocks, connect them, and publish. It is perfect for non programmers who want to create quickly. Think of it like building with Lego bricks. No instructions needed. Low code, on the other hand, gives you the same drag and drop power but lets you write a little code when you need to. This is awesome for developers who want to build faster but still have flexibility for custom features. It's like using Lego but with the option to 3D print your own custom pieces when you want something special. So, in summary, no code, zero coding, just drag and drop. Low code, mostly drag and drop, but coding is possible for advanced stuff. Both save time and open app development to more people. Just choose the one that matches your comfort level. So which one would you like to try? Let me know in the comments.